The Autoflood III rapid discharge coal hopper began production in 2004 and is near ubiquitous to this day in coal drags across the continent. This aluminum car is equipped to be unloaded in a matter of seconds, either via the bottom bay doors or through the rotary discharge function, depending on the car and/or the infrastructure of the unloading facility. Our N-scale model has been scaled from original drawings, field measurements, and countless photos, and will be at home on any modern layout that depicts coal traffic. Let's begin with an unboxing, since that's what the kids are into these days. Pop the top off of the jewel case, pull off the upper protective shell, then take out the plastic wrapped model, and there we have the CEFX car in all of its glory. You'll also find a handy dandy Rapido magic wand, and under the bottom shell you'll find documentation with prototype and warranty information. About that magnetic wand, no, the coal hopper does not have any lights, but it can be used to quickly remove or replace the included coal load. That's just smart. In addition to single cars, we also have 6-packs available, which is also smart because you always need more than one coal hopper. Taking a closer look at this BNSF car, you'll see all of the typical Rapido level detail. Accurate and finely applied paint and lettering, super detailed end cages with air and brake piping, crossover platforms and uncoupling levers. Under the coal load, you'll find a super detailed interior with full riveting and K-members. The underside is equally impressive with detailed hopper bays and outlet gates. And we have Barber S2 100-ton trucks with low-profile metal wheel sets which will have no problems gliding down Code 40 track. And with a die-cast floor and frame, this car is optimally weighted for reliable operation and tracking. Our N-scale Autoflood III rapid discharge coal hoppers are shipping now, and if you didn't pre-order, they're still available in limited quantities for all schemes. So see your dealer or visit rapidotrains.com today.